said that tree's still broken. I bet you they removed it.
Doing something.
And I thought I loved snow. Yeah, I love snow, but not heavy snow. Especially, yeah, they removed it. Used to be a tree right in the middle of the street right over there. Hey, that tracks look familiar. We used to go through that. We went through that, going the other way. Oh my gosh. Plain School is destroyed. There's a giant tree that just fell over. It fell on top of the slide over there. Oh, don't swear. Dang it, man. Talking about the playground. Bet you it is. Oh yeah, it is. See how I look. That is some messed up hair. Probably. Oh my. Oh my. Yeah, I know. Dad, I'm doing a documentary. Stop! Oh, line's down right there. Yeah, there's a line. I don't know. It's probably a cable line. That's down. Oh yeah, it looks like that's getting pulled down. Tree, look at the tree. It's like all frosted up. Look right there. I bet you that's a cable line. Comcast isn't gonna get a lot of work. Look at those trees over there.
This isn't Comcast. This is that other company there.
Look at that. See, when there's more cars on the road, it feels more like it's not the end of the world like last night when it was completely black and you couldn't see anything. Well, guess what? Whoa, there goes the thing. Yeah, because look at the lights in the snow. I think that camera fell off on top there. It's either that or they never finished putting it on, or they're putting it on. I don't know. There are people there. I guess. Bergen Outlet. They're not open. Liquors is open, I bet. So we going bowling today? Good thing it's like all melted. Look at the road, it's all wet. Well, probably before everyone gets electricity back on. See, the only thing I'm worried about is... Oh, did you know there's probably going to be no school because of the power? Man, I feel bad for the people that have to throw away all the.
Car is legal, though, isn't it?
I don't think so. Massey Seafood has a plow on their delivery truck. That's true. BK's closed.
It's like in the BK.
Remember that one time they couldn't do it because they couldn't go and serve out burgers and stuff because the bathrooms didn't have no water and stuff. Because remember the ruptured water line? Man, I'm gonna have so many videos to upload to YouTube. There's already 6 of them on there. I don't know why either. Cumberland's is open here.
Yeah, they're mobs. Wait in line for coffee.
Amen. Amen.
Some dudes open. Everybody get coffee.
Well, they have power here because they got lights.
Some people getting gas. Imagine the people inside there are getting gas. The people outside are getting gas.
I know, right? On the side of the street?
Yeah.
Probably.
If we get in there, we might never get out.
That's true. They never lost power. I wish I was living up around here.
We're doing a hell of a business.
Well, everyone's closed. They're open. That's America. I'm just so glad Denny's didn't close last night. Like, they didn't lose power. Park on the street. Where are you going? You're not going to make it through because there's too many cars. I would just park over here. Because they're not open. They don't have... You can't get in here. It's all slush. Do they have power here? You know what's the worst thing of all is not knowing if you have power.
He's got power. They don't have a generator. They got power. Lights in.
Kitty cat in the window there.
You probably want to get out. Probably work in there.